Hello and welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn how to make crepes for all of you. This is a very easy recipe that all of you can try by yourself or with an adult. So are you ready? So let's make crepes. Okay, let's make the recipe. So, we need a cup full of flour, 250 grams, and we are going to put the flour in the big bowl. The second step, we are going to use another cup to measure the milk, 500 grams. So, we're going to use this cup one time and another. Now it's time for breaking the eggs. Remember, 2 eggs. And now it's whisk time. Okay guys, here we are again. So now we need a pan, okay, and a piece of butter. In this little jar we have put top crepes. And now you can use a wooden stick because it's really hot. Okay, so be careful with your hands.